What's going on, my people? Welcome back again to another video, and I am here again for another one. And my name is Yomi Oluwa, and this is the digital pathway to a successful life for any entrepreneur that is aspiring to scale their business and take it to the next level. So step one, you already know, join my Facebook group. So if you want to join my Facebook group, it's called the Pathway to Success Insiders Club. You know, we have a lot of not a lot, at least a couple of people already in that group, and the group is doing amazing to help entrepreneurs scale their business to the next level. So if you are willing to join my Facebook group, I'm going to be leaving that link in the description below. Alright, so with that being said, if you have not subscribed to my channel already, come on bro, come on guys. I know I love you guys. Don't just watch this video for watching sake. Click that bell notification, subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you're gonna be the first person to be notified, and you can actually benefit from most of my videos, because this year 2022 I'm not stopping. I'm out there to be able to help people as much as possible to scale their business to the next level. So subscribe to my channel. So without wasting none of your time, let's dive into today's video. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be talking about 7 strategies to grow your online business. Okay, so for you to grow your business, what does it take to grow your business? So it takes a lot, I said, for you to grow your business. Hey guys, this is part of my passion, so just let me sit into this because I'm cold. Alright, so now that I've done that, let's move on. Thank you. Alright, so for you to grow a business, it takes a lot. I repeat, it takes a lot in order for you to grow a successful business. So the first strategy I'm going to be talking about right now is called passion. The first one is passion. You have to have passion. Showing passion for maybe for your product or services, and also to your customers. It's key in order for you to grow a successful business. Okay, so moving on to the second strategy to grow your business is to become more competitive. So competition is everything, and differentiating your product or services is key to a successful business. Alright, so the third strategy I believe you can use to grow your business is to be the best. Because most entrepreneurs or most business owners are always striving to be the best. Being the best is also about trying to learn more, and most of the time these business owners always want to be the best in everything they do. So that leads us to the fourth strategy, meaning that you have to be able to measure your success. Why am I saying this? Because when you measure your success, that means you enjoy what you do, and that is the number one ultimate goal for you to be successful, when you enjoy what you do. Next step, which is the fifth strategy, is for you to mind your money. I know you are investing in your business, but You need to know what is coming in, the cash flow, the revenue, that is key. Most of the time, everything is key, to be honest. So when you mind the money, the way you spend, there should be a regulation, for you to know your income and your expenses and what profit you're taking home at the end of the day. And that's how you can be able to, project yourself that yes, I am actually growing. Okay, so the sixth strategy for you to grow your business is to work your hands. Your hands have to be on. So business owners have to be hands on most of the time, because you can't just stop the little things that is going to make you to make that progress in your business. Your hands have to be on deck. You know what I mean? So the business owner have to be there at all times. So that's what I mean by your hands on deck, because if you're not there at all times, bro, you are just taking that risk, because you don't know what might happen. You don't know how people is treating, or you're planning on how for you to get to that level that you want to. But when you're present at all times, definitely you know what is going on, and that is not gonna stop you from growing your business. And that another one. Okay, so the last but not the least strategy in order for you to grow your business is to focus more on your customers, because you're not just in business to make profits. You are in business to create and also to keep a customer, because when they come in the first time, you also want them to come back again and again, and also to bring their friends and also people that they're going to help you grow your business. So that is the most important thing. If you don't like it, because this is where I'm going to hold it for now in this video. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe by clicking that bell notification, and with that you're going to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So don't also forget to join my Facebook group. Is the pathway to success Insiders Club. I'm going to be leaving that link also in the description below. It's for most of you guys, entrepreneur or anyone that wants to start their online business, or you want to scale any business online. We are here to help you with a one-on-one mentoring, and I hope you're going to enjoy it. But without wasting none of your time, guys, this is where I'm going to hold it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one, and I am out.